In this video, I'll show you how to fix Roblox chat settings preventing you from sending messages. Now, the way that we can easily fix this is simply head over to roblox.com. From in here, click up here, go to settings, and from in here, we want to head over to the privacy. Now, under privacy, you want to make sure account restrictions are disabled. So make sure this one is gray and not green. And then from in here, you want to see who can message me, and you want to make sure it's not on no one. So make sure it is not on no one. Make sure this is not on no one. Make sure this is not on no one. Now, after you've done that, you will be able to send messages as well as receiving messages. Now, also, if you head over to the parental controls and you choose all ages, this will also make sure that you're not getting any errors. Now, that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now, it's super simple and super easy, so I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.